Think you know Python? Here are some keywords you probably never use, but should. The first keyword is the with keyword most devs or newbies don't use, and it's one of the best ways to handle file openings. Second is the else keyword. This else is for loops. It runs when a loop finishes. It's more like a confirmation saying, hey, if a loop is finished or the while loop is finished. The third keyword is yield keyword. It creates generator, so you don't need too much memory. Quite useful for devs trying to reduce code base size or module size, while coding with yours truly Python. New tip, right? I was shocked when I found out what it actually does. The fourth keyword is the assert keyword. You can quickly debug your code with assert. This is one of my favorite debug keyword. The last keyword today is the useful pass keyword. Personally, I use this keyword when I'm creating my code skeleton. So first I lay out all my functions and use pass to hold so I don't get errors for empty functions. While laying out the code structure, it's very useful for pre-testing functions. Try this keyword tip out while coding. You will love it.
Like and subscribe to my channel to see more on coding tips with quick red tech tips.